Hi guys, my name is Svetlana and this is elmasty.com, and we have genitive case for today's video. And a lot of people, when they hear about cases, they think that it's something impossible because it's really complicated. But actually the aim of today's video is to make it a bit easier, a bit closer to you. So genitive case, and first we are going to have a look at the endings of the nouns in genitive case. Then we will check when we can use genitive case, and then we are going to make up sentences to learn how to use it. Let us check the endings of the nouns in genitive. The ending is depend on the number, is it singular or plural, and also on the gender. So the ending of the nouns in singular, so masculine and neuter, in genitive case have ending a, ya, and sometimes ye. A, ya mostly. Feminine have ending I. That's it for singular. And now let's have a look at plural. Nouns in genitive case in plural. Masculine has ending ov, yev, and plural has ending, feminine and neuter has ending, it doesn't have ending. So what we have to do, we have to take the ending of, for example, книга, a lot of book, много, книг. So we just take the ending off. So these are the endings of genitive. And now we are going to check the situations when we need the genitive case. And actually we already started to learn it. We learned it when we learned agreement of nouns and numerals. If you remember, if no, you can check and that video. So when we have numeral 2, 3, 4, we have to agree which is a noun, and the noun is in genitive singular after 2, 3, 4. After 5 and higher, and also after words много, мало, несколько, сколько, we have genitive plural. You already have the endings. So after these numerals, sometimes we use genitive singular, sometimes genitive plural. And we are going to check it. We are going to make up sentences. But first also, I want to, one more. You know, we already learned sentences if I have something. So we have у меня есть машина, у меня есть собака, у меня есть друг, and others. So if I have something, afterward есть, we use nominative case, which was really easy. But if we don't have something, so the opposite to у меня есть is у меня нет, or у него нет, у нее нет. So after word нет и нету, we also use genitive. And now let us make some sentences using numerals and these sentences у меня есть, у меня нету. Okay, so if I have a son, у меня есть сын. We already learned this. How to say I don't have a son. У меня нету сына. So here we need genitive. У меня есть сын, opposite у меня нету сына. У меня есть машина. If we don't have a car, we say у меня нет машины. У меня есть машина, у меня нет машины. У меня есть компьютер. How to say I don't have a computer? У меня нет компьютера. Because it's masculine, we have ending a. У меня нет компьютера. У меня есть дочь. Дочь is a daughter, it's feminine, but the genitive is an exception, so we need to memorize this form. I don't have a daughter. У меня нет дочери. У меня нет дочери. У меня есть дочь. У меня нет дочери. We will have more exceptions. У меня есть время. I have time. If I don't have time, у меня нет времени. Sorry, I don't have time. Извините, у меня нет времени. Времени, another exception. У меня нет времени. I have a son. У меня есть сын. If I have 2 sons, у меня 2 сына. Here we can drop есть. У меня 2 сына. 3 сына, 4 сына. У меня 2 сына. He has 2 daughters. У него 2 дочери. 2 дочери. У меня мало друзей. I have a little friends, a few friends. У меня мало друзей. My husband doesn't have time. У мужа, by the way, after у we also need genitive. У мужа нет времени. He doesn't have time. У мужа нет времени. If we say my son doesn't have computer. У сына, у моего сына нет компьютера. Another, for example, собака is a dog. A lot of dogs, много собак. There are many dogs here. Здесь много собак. Здесь много собак. What else? There are many books here. Здесь много книг. So собака, we take the ending off. Книга takes the ending off. And we have genitive plural. У меня здесь много собак. Здесь много книг. If a lot of computers, здесь много компьютеров. Because computer is masculine. In singular, in plural genitive, we have ending of. У меня много компьютеров. Брат, I have a lot of brothers. У меня много братьев. So another exception. У меня много братьев. Аптека, pharmacy. There are many pharmacies here. Здесь много аптек. But there are no shops here. Здесь нет магазинов. Magazine again, masculine, so we have ending of. Здесь нет магазинов, но здесь много аптек. Well, so, and let's memorize these exceptions. So, сын is a son. Genitive singular, I don't have a son. Сына. And genitive plural, сыновей. Брат, брата, it's okay. And the plural, братьев. We need to remember. Брат, брата, братьев. Дочь, дочери, дочерей. The same will be with мать, mom. Мать, матери, матерей. And we had one more. Время, no time, нет времени. Имя, name, нет имени, no name. So, now let's have a look at another situation when we use genitive. So, we also use genitives after some prepositions. Because in English language it's easy. If you say for my mom, or with my mom, or without mom, it will be always mom, and you just change the preposition. But in Russian, you have these prepositions, but you also have to change the ending of the noun. So after preposition for, which is для in Russian, we need genitive. Also без, without, у, like у меня. So after preposition у, около, возле, which means near, next to, около, возле, от, from, с, is, also from, but in different situations, different, we use different, от, до, from, to. It's about distance, like from school to work. And now, again, examples for this situation. Я готовлю ужин для сына. I make dinner for my son. For son, для сына. If for sons, для сыновей. Я готовлю ужин для сына. Я готовлю ужин для сыновей. If I have daughter, how would I say I make dinner for my daughter or for daughters? Maybe you can try. Я готовлю ужин для дочери, and in plural, для дочерей. Для дочерей. I drink coffee without milk. Я пью. We learned this. Coffee is кофе. Without is без. Milk is молоко. In genitive молока. Because it's neuter. Я пью кофе без молока. I drink tea without sugar. Я пью чай without sugar. Без сахара. Я пью чай без сахара. I live near school. Я живу возле, or you can say около школы. Школа, feminine, ending a in genitive. Я живу возле школы. Or it can be also недалеко от школы. Not far from school. Недалеко от школы. Next sentence. Manager. Let's try to translate. Manager doesn't have mobile phone. So if manager has, у менеджера есть, after у we also use genitive. That's why not manager, but менеджера. У менеджера есть телефон. If he doesn't have, у менеджера нет телефона. So in this sentence we have two genitives. У менеджера нет телефона. Brother doesn't have wife. You can try. У брата нет жены. У брата есть жена, у брата нет жены. Нет жены, нет, нету, это same. From house to work, very far. Well, in English we say it's very far from house to work, but in Russian от дома до работы очень далеко, very far. So дом, genitive дома, that's why от дома. До, to, работа, genitive работы. That's why we have от дома до работы. От дома до работы очень далеко. I came from work late. I came from work late. Я пришла, I came from work, from с работы. You cannot say от работы. От, it's like when you show that from this to this, and you are talking maybe about the distance. So from school to work, from this house to this house. So from this point to this point. От до. But here, if I came from work, я пришла с работы. I am from Ukraine. Я из Украины. I am from Russia. Я из России. I am from England. Я из Англии. Also genitive after is. And one more case when we use genitive. In most of the cases, when in English we have of, for example, the principal of the school, bag of my mom. So of, so we need in Russian genitive, and we don't use actually preposition in these sentences. So this car is my son, is of my son. The car is of my son's car. Эта машина сына. If it's my son, эта машина моего сына. Сына and моего both are genitive, but we are talking about nouns. This is my mom's bag, so bag of my mom. Это сумка моей мамы, моей мамы. So we change not only mama for genitive, we change also the adjectives, the pronouns, all which goes with his noun. They all take genitive case. Who is this? This is the manager of the plant, the principal of the plant. Кто это? Это директор завода. Who is this? This is the principal of a school. Кто это? Это директор школы. You can try to make up more sentences and also write under the video, and I will check, and you will know what was right, what was wrong. And also I need to say that all these exceptions, it's not all, because I didn't want to overload you now, because we are beginners and we are just started our way to in learning Russian. And also there are more cases when we use genitive, and I'm going to make one more video about verbs which requires genitive after them. So if you don't want to miss that video, so please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Спасибо за просмотр. До свидания, друзья. До следующих встреч. Пока-пока.